ya ye we brochire kasa mo say tie na me se me ka chem se mo sense mo ni sense o kwesi apia onya me obo ye wate mo say ya ye we brochire no say yes Ghana ya ye metna ho meaning say we don't have the right to speak about Ghana meboa yet Kevin Taylor tie brochire di dwuma mamo ejimi fo bi te sem yet Marie Buadu to London di dwuma man kwase afo te sem yet Biscuit Brempen ya ejimi fo kuo bi say ye demonstration omo te Ghana omo tu attacks on Ghana. And no, the amount share on your stupid social media pages. Me what? So even though they don't live in Ghana, they have the right to disgrace the country in a foreign land. But we cannot defend our motherland, Ghana. And you call yourself a Ghanaian. Wow, boa ate. You suma the phone. Wow, boa yantitu ye. Oh, people to me the flag. Eko go my country anymore as your maya won see a person ye no obi be to be eko go anymore ase and na de mo pe mo be share ye ba de be defend de am say ye de am metre we aboa mo business for Ghana. I have things in Ghana. My family lives in Ghana. I send money to Ghana and I pay fees on every money I send to Ghana which goes to the government. Asiakwa once the money answer, Monjunio, me catch them some more. Now, A plus ni hero. A plus ni hero. Okay, the chef free Fanny Avram, no more wise people for you. That is a Jimmy. Ah, no, be to me, can say, you don't have to say, Martin Luther King. Ah, Martin Luther King to say, you don't have. Now, we are Jimmy Forza. We are Jimmy Forza. The truth would always set me free. I don't come here to tell lies. I don't come here to spew lies. I come here to speak nothing and nothing but the truth. Obi jina ho go my animal as we brotre. And then the moon to me can say now we are baby. Yeah, be you defend the government in there. Sadi I am metra gan. Never betre mutri no mapampa so. E jimi fo no. Ye be ba betra tra mo ma me no mapampam. E no mo papa no mapampam. Nkwasi ampa fo mo gu page so amadwene ye adwuma. Mo amabasa mu de jimi na mu be jimi page so ye dini na amane mo. Wasiafo kwa. Anyways, me pesa obo video no, the ananka obo no, na yemfa ende. Now maybe we let give Steve some 10 minutes to wrap up and then we are done. But our video no, yanko. I believe saying this Steve pesa obaso. Asiakwa. Was he a friend saying?
What I got straight away when he mentioned the fact that he was going to Ghana was like, damn, Ghana got that free publicity again. You know what I mean? Like, oh my God. You know, Nicki Minaj. You know.
Chai. Adia wushe. Onye Ghana ni o. But all town Ghana ye am a wiase. Yes, we are common sense for sorry. Yes, you to constitution. Good, na mo de buy in place the airport and the area near Kogino. We are poor. Obi a town Ghana say Ghana your correct country. Okay? Now what you 7 bread yasa as Ghana member. Ghana koswa ohun beto. Wo si won ye den untume nton Ghana. Bra bo no muntie.
What I got straight away when he mentioned the fact that he was going to Ghana was like, damn, Ghana got that free publicity again. You know what I mean? Like, oh my days. You know, Nicki Minaj. You know, we've got Popcorn. Now we've got Stevie Wonder. Whiskey has been living in Ghana for 3 months. Burna Boy's in Ghana. Davido's been out there. Yemi Alade's been out there. Right now, Victoria Kimani. I went out there. I can't wait to go back. Yeah. But we keep, like, Ghana needs to be applauded for how they have managed to open their doors to the rest of the world and make every visitor feel so comfortable that we can't wait to return. Yeah. Bob Marley, you know, his wife is there. Yeah. Listen, Ghana right now, the kind of what's it called, promotion they're getting, publicity they're getting. This is what countries spend millions of dollars with PR officials.
I'll put it to you.
Kind of create.
What do you think that is? What is it that Ghana is doing that other African countries are not doing?
Okay, first of all, Ghana has connected with the diaspora in a way that other African countries haven't done. In the last 2 years, with the year of return in 2019 and the announcement of the year of return in 2018 December, which saw at least 40 black influencers from America, from Boris Kojo to Ibro Darden, a lot of them going to Ghana to announce with the president to say 2019 December was going to be the year of return where black people from around the world can return home, and Ghana was officially going to open their doors to say, if you're looking for a place to call home, Ghana will be your home. That was a masterstroke by the government, by the president, by the tourism sector, and that opened the door to the benefits that Ghana is reaping right now. 2019 had Afro Nation in Ghana, Afrochella in Ghana, and still Beyonce's mom was in Ghana. Yeah. You know, Ludacris and his wife was. They had Akon was there. What they did with publicly saying to all black people, especially black people in diaspora, you know, from Latin America to the United States of America, who have craved to connect back with Africa to say, yo, if you're still looking for a place to call home, one, you could come here. We've got a lot of the historical connections that you'd like to see. They still have the slave dungeon. They still have, you know, the point of no return. They still have incredible tourism sites that you can go to. Plus, the people are just absolutely welcoming. The minute, and you know, you put all of that in one pot, it makes it so tantalizing.
All right. The dynamics. Where you be on your Ghana new, but we would be air cost for Ghana. Last me catch them say, me flow is so Somalia ni mind do ha. Me ni I say, oh Ghana, oh you people doing very good. Your president, oh he build a factory, he bring to. Or see or share Al Jazeera. Onu Somalia nino or share Ghana mpuntu a ekosu Akofu Addo ne ba umiade ba no or share Al Jazeera or in Somalia ni. Oh ye Ghana ni. Wose we MP amre usika ni. Wose minister ama mehwe. Wose anya wa ban ene wo power. Enti ye njuri Ghana ngo. Na watete Ghana ewie no onyame empengu. Se wo party ba afen na wo ko convince broni ni say oh they said na Akofu Addo no kontia na yaba he said the Ghana asesa. The white man is not a fool if you guys think the white man is a fool. That is why sadly me akewure mu no cause all ma wuska se fa koye project na nkodi na sa mechanic so ma afoforo na fa ko don farm out. They will not give you. Let's be smart, let's be wise. And then we do my back still I remember my brother chance na ono so I then